I think that as principals, there are some things that we need to say at our staff that maybe we have been reiterating over and over and over again, and so their ears have become dull at hearing us. I think that if you want a fresh voice that really actually reinstate what you've been saying the whole time throughout your career or your staff. I don't know how long you've had your staff, but this is the person that you want to bring. This person will reignite them, will resuscitate in some ways, and just reinvigorate them for the role that they had in the job. So listen, if you have somewhere to go and you want to actually, you have a vision that where you are is not good enough, then you want to bring Jabari in so that he can also partner with you in that message that where we are is not good enough. We have some place to be. We have an impact to make. So, thank you.